What's the meaning of clitoris? Clitoris. Clitoris.
Clitoris. Clitoris. The clitoris is a highly sensitive and sexually arousable part of the female anatomy. It is located at the front of the vulva and is richly supplied with nerve endings. The clitoris is also responsible for producing pleasurable sensations during sexual stimulation and orgasm. In addition, it plays a key role in female sexual response and can be stimulated through a variety of techniques, including manual or oral stimulation, as well as during sexual intercourse. Overall, understanding and appreciating the role of the clitoris can lead to greater sexual satisfaction for women.